at yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I am doing a red eyebrow tutorial. Super quick, super easy. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm starting out with the double-ended NYX brush. One side is flat and angled and the other is a spoolie. And I'm just going to brush my brows using these NK lip liners.
I'm going to take the one at the bottom, which is the lightest one, and it's called Red.
I'm going to start off by making hair-like strokes in my brows. So straight up.
I like using pencil first because pencil really helps me see the structure of the brows. Then I use powder because powder helps to conceal the color of my real brows.
Now I'm going to use this Juvia's Place, it's the Saharan 2, and I'm going to use the red in this palette. You can use any red you like.
You do not have to use two like I did. This is just what I like to do because I feel like it gives me a little bit more to work with and it's not just one harsh red on my eyebrows.
Now I'm going back to the Saharan 2 and I'm going to take Fez, which is like a darker brown, but it still has a red base to it.
I'll take my spoolie and just brush everything together.
I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. Cool Tan is the closest to my skin tone. And this is a BH Cosmetics flat angled brush. Now we just clean up our brows, get our desired shape. I'm just going to take my finger and clean up some of the concealer.
I'm taking whatever's left on the brush and just putting it in the front of the brow. Then I'm going to pick up a clean brush.
So then I'm going to take it and just blend out the front of the brow. Now I'm going to use this eyebrow gel by NYX, and this is called Control Freak. And this is going to help set my brows in place all day so they won't move. So that was it for the red eyebrow. Super easy, super quick. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.